A precise CNC'd hole right there.
Oh, it's junk again.
We just finished the manual swap. You guys saw that video just last week, hopefully. And
it's the same night.
it's the same night. We're just gonna open this beforehand because I want to see it. It's gonna go in the car, and the car is gonna go like, you know. So the reason I wanted to open this box, look at this. What is this, dude?
Ew.
What is that? Dude, how are we gonna get to this? Look at that. Dude, are you... Dude, can you... How are we supposed to open this thing? This thing better be so nice. For all this fucking work I gotta go through to open it. That is a deep purple. I wonder what that looks like in the sun. Alright, well, here it is, the brace. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube or any videos like about this SLR brace. I've seen other braces, but maybe because this one's shit. Looks cool though. Fuck it. It's a shame to put such a nice piece in such a shitty car. Huh? So right about there is where we're cutting these holes, buddy. Oh, alright, now it's junk. I mean, you're supposed to go up through the bottom to get the exact pilot for the hole saw, but I mean, I think we should just cut?
It's your car.
Let's just cut, fuck it. What are you thinking, right there? Right there? What do you think, buddy? What do you think?
You don't want to sit in the car when you do it.
You think so?
Get some... First or what?
This hole saw isn't very sharp. I think it's where those three meet.
Right there.
Yeah, I think.
There. Oh.
This is where it would be best to drill from the bottom. Because then you go right through, you know?
Mm-hmm.
This has been a journey, I'll tell you that much. They say, oh, just put it in. All you gotta do is bolt it in. It's not all you gotta do.
We had to lift the car all the way up. We had to take off one at a time each of the two rear subframe bolts. And when we took them off, we had a foot-long drill bit and drilled through the bottom until we got through the top of the chassis. And this motherfucker, this fucking glory hole right there, had to unbolt the exhaust, the middle hanger and the back of the exhaust. Took it off, had to take the wheel off and pulled the exhaust all the way as far as we could to the driver's side just to get a straight on shot to that bolt to drill it through.
Change of scenery. We're back working on the X-Brace. It's been, what, 2 weeks basically since the first half of this video was filmed? It's been cocked. Anyways, so SLR, they didn't give me the right hardware or anything to bolt the fucking thing in. So what I did is I went online and I bought the longest high-grade bolt I could find, okay? So if this doesn't go through the car and we can't put this nut on top, we're absolutely fucked.
I mean,
it should be fine.
It's your wallet.
We're gonna try this and see if it pokes through enough. So since we didn't have a centered hole coming through the bottom, I tried to bore it out with this bit. And then at one point the bit was like this, and I was drilling good. And then like a second later, the bit was like this, and then it wasn't really drilling anymore. We have a success. Check out the success. Oh, dude, look how fucking rancid that looks in there. But that, yeah, we're doing this extremely not the right way. but anyways, that's a 140 millimeter long bolt right there. So if anyone else needs to do this and you don't have the threaded rod or whatever, 140 mil bolt works perfectly fine. We don't have a hole saw or a Dremel or anything like that with a cutting wheel, so I'm gonna drill some big holes and we're just gonna rip the metal out. It looks like complete ass, but once the carpet's over it, it'll look fine. Fuck it. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you got, you know? You guys know. The viewers know. I'm out of fucking... There we go. Look at that. See that? A precise CNC'd hole right there. This is how I broke the last bit. Alright, let's see the fitment on this, Jimmy. Oh, it's junk again. Alright. The right side is not fitting very good. The brace is in, but I cannot say I'm impressed with that fitment. That is, I mean, this side is fine. It sits on the washer that they supplied. I mean, it looks cool, but it's fucked. We got it in. The fitment's not 100%, but I can't really complain. We did it a really ghetto way. It worked out for good enough for what we need it for, right?
For now.
For now, it's good enough for now. And now we're gonna go test it. We're gonna go see if it works out in the...
Insert clip of this car just being fucking thrown recklessly.
Insert clip of this car being towed. Alright, well, we're trying to find this place to test out this brace. And it just started fucking snowing, which is bad because one, it's not as cool as testing it out on dry pavement. And two, we don't have any fucking windshield wipers. So I already have glasses, you know, I can't really see too well already.
We're sending it anyways.
So we're trying to find a test spot here. It's rough, dude. This is a shit show. Well, we'll update you guys when we get to a spot. We came to this area to test out that brace, and it's a little small because I've never done anything like this before. And hopefully I don't go off into the bush there. Imagine I go off and the car rolls over. That would be insane content. All right. We decided to wait until the snow cleared up a little bit. It's the same night. Snow cleared up a little bit. We're in this lot now, and then I think this is a good lot to test the brace, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stand outside and get out of the car, and then like kind of shake the brace a little bit and see if it's like sturdy, and then I think that's a good test. No?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I think we'll do that.
Pop.
Oh my God! What's that guy doing over there?
Yes, bro, yes.
Woo! Woo! Holy. I think I'm a little nervous. Well, we tested out the brace. There were some people like driving really erratically. Did you see those guys?
I heard something going on.
Literally, their car like looked like this one, and it was like driving really erratically. It was doing like not legal stuff. So But yeah, no, the brace is like pretty solid. Aside from the fitment issues and stuff, it looks cool. Fitment was, see, I don't know if that could be just a case-by-case thing. Yeah, aside from, you know, a little bit of fitment issues and the fucking hardware they gave me was useless, like, it looks cool and it does its job, I guess. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment below if you have any cool ideas for us to do. Subscribe to the channel. There's a sick video. The next video we have is insane. There's a special car that's gonna come out of the garage. It's been in the garage for a while, and it's gonna come out for the summer. I'm gonna put a little sneak peek of that right here and at the end of this video, but other than that, follow the channel and leave a like. Thank you guys.